So we're back at the Canmore project and we have got all of our plumbing in. Our tile is now all done, I'll show you that. Also, all our floors are in. I may have shown you this already. But there you go. That's the tile in here. The plumbing is almost in. You can see we've got a part missing there. Some of the missing parts and still things to go in are there. And then all of our cabinets are in and all the handles are going on today. That's the mirror. The light fixture is not here yet, but you can see it's almost put together. I'll take you upstairs. Not much to see here, you guys. We're just waiting for some things to come in. Next week we're going to do some drywall repair. We're going to get all these doors on. We're going to put this laundry, the laundry room is over here. So that's the new floor. And we've got the floor, a box sitting there over the transition just to keep it nice and flat while it all sets up. So that's looking really good. This is all new carpet. And I'm going to take this extra and I'm going to make a custom carpet for the principal bedroom upstairs. Here's the front entrance again. Things are getting cleaned up and getting used up. This is extra tile. Hard to see. I'm going to try and show you this floor. It's really quite beautiful. Okay, let's go upstairs. So you can see in the stairs the carpet's not in yet, but we're gonna get that in, I think, the 21st next week. And there'll be a nice transition piece going there. And you can see we've got lots of equipment here, but this is all finished. We had to add some new trim because the floor had to be lowered when we installed it, so we had a little gap there, so that's going to be painted out. This fireplace is actually going to be changed out. And you can see they're working on the kitchen. They're putting handles in today. I think I've shown you these cabinets before. Countertops are in, backsplash is in, and now we're doing just the finishing touches. So, wanted to show you in here. Look at this, thank you guys. And this is the vanity I showed you. Quartz top on. Now, this is torn apart right now because we're working on it, but let me show you where the faucet is here. Let me see if I can get it in. So that will look something like that. Very pretty. All cleaned up, or a lot of our stuff is cleaned up, and now we've got all our beautiful tile done in here, and we've got our gorgeous fixtures on here. That's just paper, and this tile is just stunning, you guys. And on this side we've got our we built a really nice niche here, and we matched the pattern of the tile. And then I think I showed you this before, but the floor matches this floor. So if you made it to the end of the video, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.